Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write an essay on my favorite leader. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my favorite leader is Mahatma Gandhi. Second line is, his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Third line is, he was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, India. Fourth line is, he is called the father of the nation for his role in India's struggle for independence. Fifth line is, he believed in the power of nonviolence and peace. Sixth line is, he introduced the idea of non-violent resistance called Satyagraha. Seventh line is, he was a champion of social justice, promoting equality for all. Next line is, he led important movements like the Salt March and Quit India. Ninth line is, he inspired millions with his simplicity, humility, and dedication to truth. Last line, that is line number 10, is his message of love and unity continues to inspire people worldwide.